All right, guys, 2007 Chrysler 300C, 5.7 HEMI power, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it is a full system for you guys. High flow cats there and there. Then 2.5 system all the way back. He didn't want an X pipe, so we didn't put on one and ran just true dual all the way back 2.5 on each side there and right there, all the way back into some sexy 4-inch black tips to complete the look. As you guys can see, look at that. Just came out absolutely beautiful. There it is, right there. Look at that. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. There's the resonators that were on it. And there's the mid pipe that was on it. We took all that off and ran all new, as you guys can see. So it lost about 150 pounds worth of weight off of it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love it. Loud. That is screaming again. 120, guys. That is crazy. Wow. One more. Go ahead and back it out. That's why they bring them. We do what we do best. Make them loud, make them proud. Look at that idle, guys. Listen to that idle. Always fueling the addiction, like it says on the sign. Fuel the addiction. That's insane, guys. Here on the inside. Chrysler 300C, true dual, high flow cats, 2.5-inch pipe into 4-inch tips, black. Let's see if he puts on a show. Nice. Beast mode out of a HEMI. HEMI, babe.